Okay, this time we are looking at Solifer TS 50S, my dad's old post delivery moped. I think T stands for trial. It's a trial version of S50S perhaps, or 50S Solifer. I think the only changes are the first gear is shorter, and then perhaps the rear shocks are adjustable. So I think those are the only changes for trial version. My dad bought it in the early 80s to deliver post to this island. It's back in the day there wasn't this bridge, so the only way to get to the island was via boat, and you couldn't get the car there, so he parked the moped in the island and then crossed this channel with the boat. So anyways, after 80s it sat for years, and in my teenage years I restored it. It's not completely original, not even very clean, but I would say it's honest. So the gearbox was filled with water and some of the frame was rusted, some material had to be added there, and this front shocks and fender, it's from different brand, from Tunturi, Finnish moped brand, and the cylinder, it's been overboard at least once, and the odometer has stopped at 5,500, but haven't been spinning for many years, so hard to say how many kilometers or how many hours in total. I believe the engine is maybe Tomos. I think Solifer at the time used Tomos, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so let's give it a couple kicks. Have to change the hand. Oh, it's a warm engine, so the gas is evaporating, koska